This is Hayden's second time of taking steps ever. We missed the first time on the camera. Good job! Go get him! Yay! Oh, alright! Yay! Go get him! Yeah! Good job, Hayden! What a big boy!
Hayden.
Let's go get him. Come on. Let's go get him. Big step. Come on. Yay! Yeah! What a big boy! Whoa, we're doing the splits. Got it? I gotcha. Okay, next, right foot. Oh, you just want to oh, you're going to get the door?
Oh, show's closed.
Let's try again. Ready? Okay, ready? Hold on. Let's go. Yeah! 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 Woohoo! Oh.
Uh-oh.
We're walking through the door again. I can almost reach it. And... Alright.